Ndio hii hata imekuja. Okay guys, so this is our place. We stay near the river, so you can see it's a river actually. It rains, that's why the water is brownish. So don't worry, it's always clear water. Though we have water back at home, which is pumped water, but the other one we use just for the cattle. And we also swim there. So I'll show you one day when we go swimming. Don't worry, it's just a super swimming pool. You'll see much of it. So today I just want us to show you our farm. My sister-in-law is going to show you. She takes us through the vegetable place. There she is. There she is. These are kales, you can see. We also have the kundes. Let me just take a clearer picture. Where she's standing right there, we have the kundes. I just shown you our kales and our kundes. I don't know how they're called in English. Then we have, these are also called managus or mchicha. They are traditional veggies actually. So the kales plantation still continue. Guys, right there we have watermelon. So this is a fruit farm. It's a fruit farm and veggies farm right here. So in our fruit farm we have the watermelon. These are my brothers, not mine, these are my brothers. You can see the watermelon, they're actually almost ready. Just take a close picture so that they can see the watermelon. Yeah, so here we are. The watermelon farm is right here. Guys, just take them to this other side. These are still kales, vegetables. We call them sukuma wiki. Sukuma wiki or sukuma wiki, whatever, in Swahili, but they are kales. So I hope you all understand. The other part is still being like they're just clearing the bushes ready for tilling. They want to till it to expand our plant farm. Okay, let's just walk. Guys, just show them this other side. We used to have napier grass here, but my mom no longer keeps the napier grass. Like she has been, let me say somehow, there's rains. So we don't keep a lot of napier grass, but I think she will still consider putting up with napier grass because we have a lot of cows and we need napier grass. There are too many. So guys, that's just it. This is our vegetable farm. We have a fruit farm there with watermelons. We have napier grass right there. Let me go and show you our sweet potatoes. This land is very big. We have veggies, fruit, and the sweet potatoes too. Let's go. Yeah? What's up with this? Send out. Yes, sir. We are also doing sweet potato farming, guys. So here we are. This is sweet potato farm. It's so good. You can see. Who planted this? Mom. What? So my mom did this. She's also like, she loves sweet potatoes. However, she doesn't take much of it. She's not much fond of sweet potatoes. Though since she has children and grandchildren, she has to maintain with the planting more potatoes. So this is our land. As you can see, all this is our place, and we are going to plant more. The other place that I've shown you, the far end, where we still intend to till. I think we'll do much.
Dania hapa ni
the danias. Yeah, so we are also doing the danias. Yeah, guys, almost everything. We are going to capture for you everything in our next preview. So just know that we are going to do much. The danias, the sweet potatoes are here, the watermelons, the kales, we have the managus or the mchichas, all traditional veggies. By the way, I didn't tell you, but we have some traditional veggies inside our maize farm. And those ones are called saga or whatever. We call them in Luo, akeo, in Luo. So our farm is quite huge, guys. Our farm is quite huge. Huh? So all this we have done by my sister-in-law. She's the one who was taking me through this process of telling me where is ours and where isn't ours. Okay, so that's our maize farm. You can see it's quite huge. We also have the bananas. You can see very appealing. We can say it's quite appealing because everything is there so fine. You can see. And this other one, you can see they have a lot of weeds in here because it's raining and you don't expect like for it to be that clean. And we are already done with removing our harvesting, not removing. We are already done with harvesting our beans. So it's always a maize plantation and a beans plantation. So we only have maize remaining, and the maize will be almost ready in, let's say, 2 months time. By the end of December, we'll be eating our maize. Inside our maize plantation, we also have a mango tree. And that's just you can see the way our land is, our farm is very fertile. We'll show them how it's so fertile. Oh, the cassavas are also ours. Yeah, they're not ours, so I can't show you that. I thought they're ours. So we have our maize farm still continuing here, and they're not just these 2 plots of maize farm. We still have other plots of maize farm. We have the bananas, you can see. Our farm is huge, guys. As I have shown you, you can see all this place is ours. Fruits, veggies, maize, or we say corn, yeah, whatsoever. And our corn will be ready in the next 1 to 2 months. So, guys, thanks for watching. Let me show you here. My brother is also making this. This is a terrace or what? Just to help during rainy season so that the soil doesn't get away with the rains, because it's a rainy season actually. So guys, this is everything. Our farm, maize farm. This is our fruit farm and veggies farm. Everything. And as I had told you earlier, we had harvested our beans. My mom is working on beans. It's almost raining and she's just making some little preparations. Yeah. Not to be caught with the rains. So here we are. My mom is right there. She's busy. But at least I've made her laugh. Well, yeah, I know how to press her, to press her laughing hormones. Now she's happy. Here we are. Our banana plantations, you can see. My mom has quite a number of bananas. The place is so beautiful, so nice, and just it makes even the environment look extremely beautiful. So this is home makeover. You can try as well to have your banana farm or just put up with anything. You also have avocados. Guys, the place is extremely beautiful. So I can see more. Let's say you live here, visit one day, you just feel how the environment is so cool and damn beautiful. Hey. I showed them the avocados. So we also have the avocados. You can see too many. So that's how good my place is. So east or west home is the best. I don't even feel like leaving. I think I'll be remaining here forever. I'll not be leaving anytime soon. I just want to have a feel or a touch of my home environment. It's been long, like 3 months since I was home, and I feel so nice being around my family. Guys, I'll show you more. See my mom here, she's so happy. And my sister is also here with me. We are all happy. My mom is just laughing because I'm giving you a preview of our home. Don't mind her. She's always a happy woman. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll bring us more. Wow, that's good. Can feel and ngatokatakoninika video ni like it's in YouTube. Na umevaa hivyo smart pitch imekutoa hata tashanga kwani watu they always do their farm work like when they are smartly dressed. But anyway, I appreciate. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe. Kindly subscribe, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.
I love you. Bye.